Today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your AnkiDroid app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here above this sign, click on it. When you just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do, just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to next zip here. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down. You come here to advanced, click on it here. So then you come to next zip here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down here. You come here to all fields in media import or allow all fields in media imports. Clicking this sign. The like you see this color show for us, that's mean it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do, that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.